Hello everyone, welcome back to Business Communication class. My dear students, in our previous class we discussed about the communication, definition of communication, meaning, features of the communication and the process of the communication we discussed in our previous class. So let us discuss in our today's class what are the essentials of business letter. So letter is one of the means of communication in a business. So here why and how a letter is to be prepared and what are the essentials of business letter. Writing letter to friend is different and writing letter in a business to the parties is different. So the writer has to send information of interest to the reader and ideas uh, which he thought or action. The person receiving letter must come to know how does it concern him, the contents are true or not, what are the writer expects and what should be done. So business letter has to contain the following essential attributes. What are those? Let us discuss one by one, my dear students here. So the first one is completeness. The letter should be complete in all the aspect. Incomplete message creates misunderstanding, seeking clarification and explanation. For example, assume that you want to purchase a Lakme product. So here you are sending a letter to the Lakme production department, Lakme office. So we need Lakme products. So if you send like this, we need Lakme product. This is incomplete message, incomplete sentence. So here what you have to do, which all there are many products in Lakme. So which product exactly you want, how much you want, and this even the weight also, like 50 gram, 100 gram, 150 gram, like that. Weight also you should tell everything, each and every information should be clearly mentioned in the letter. Complete, like where that is color, size, price, everything you have to mention in your letter, in a business letter. The next one is correctness. What do you mean by the correctness? The letter should be correct in physical appearance. Physical appearance means letter layout, like page, page layout. Like now you can take example of A4 page and legal page, like that. So which paper you need to use to write the letter? Usually we use A4 size papers. And the layout of the paper and the language we use, language should be very common. It should be understood by the readers. So reader language, and as well as that is, you should follow the language, you should use the language which reader also can understand. The next here, he should it should be grammatically correct. And what a good manner to a gentleman, correctness is to a business letter. If the businessman does not observe the rules of writing, he is not accepted in the best business circle. So what does it mean? So businessman should know the grammatical correction, the layout of the page, as well as the spacing, language, size, everything he should know while writing the letter. So this is the correctness. The next one is conciseness. The letter should be simple and brief, because businessmen always welcome a direct, simple and brief letters. So unnecessary any superlatives and all, if you use in indirect beginning, should be avoided. So indirect talking, indirect writing the messages and all, it should be avoided. So whatever you want, or whatever you want to order, or whatever you want to convey the message, it should be direct. So you should not waste the time here by writing unnecessary things. So direct message you should write and send. The next one is courtesy. Courtesy upon whom? Courtesy upon, not on the receiver. So the business letters must be courteously written. Here we don't have any courtesy with the receiver. Means while writing business letter, it is said that courtesy costs nothing but pays more. So courtesy letters help to enroll new customers, so retain old ones and win similar other favors. Therefore, courteous words like please, thank you, sorry, may I, it is appreciated. It should be used. Courtesy words should be used while writing the letters, business letter. The next one is consideration. When writing a letter, put yourself at the mercy of readers, sense his feelings, anticipate his reactions, and understand his feelings. Here, stress on your attitude in a business letter. What does it mean? Consideration. When writing a letter, put yourself at the mercy of reader. For example, while writing, dear sir, dear madam, we please to, like this, we need to use while writing the letter. So mercy of readers we should get, sense his feelings, and anticipate his reactions. So if you write anything, what may be his reactions for that, you should anticipate before only. The next one is clearness. What is clearness? Every paragraph should be so clear that the dullest fellow will not be able to mistake it, nor be obliged to read it twice in order to understand it. So every paragraph should be as very clear that even a dullest person also, if he is dull in language, if he is dull in any communication, so they should also understand it. In that manner it should be very clear. And the next one is concreteness. So concreteness means what? It gives the it use the it is based on facts and figures. So concreteness can be achieved by careful checking and editing. Wrong figures like overwriting, wrong spellings, here faulty grammars should be strictly avoided. Everything should be very concrete or very correct. Fact and figures should be very correct. Like for example, you want to order 100 products. If you write one more zero in front of 100, it will become 1000. If you add one more zero, it will become 10,000. So fact and figure should, it is depends upon the facts and figure. The information in the letter should be concrete, which is based on fact and figures. So what is fact? So how much you need? Figures and fact should be very clear, that you need to confirm again. And the next one is character. What is a character? So what may be the business character? A business letter should possess certain characteristics like clarity, originality, etc. It should not be copy paste by any other person, by any other business letters. Character. So a business letter, it is original. It should be original. It should be very clear, and brevity, etc. Writing word must convey the meaning and feeling of the message. And the next one is coherence. What do you mean by the coherence? A letter must be so well planned that the reader should be able to understand it on the first reading itself. So before we write a letter, we should plan how to start, with which word we should start, with which topic we should start. While sending the letter, while sending the message, a writer, a sender need to plan in a such a way, when receiver receives it, very quickly he should understand. That is coherence. The next one is positiveness. Positiveness means what? The letter should begin with the positive and optimistic approach. It should be written in friendly and convincing tone. For example, when you order for anything, so we hope that, like that, we should use we hope that, and thank you for receiving our letter. So hopefully, thankfully, like that. So positive word we need to use while sending the letters, while sending the messages. It should be in such a way that definitely we will get the reply, positive reply. In that way we need to send a, means a sender need to send a messages. This is what about the essentials of business letter, my dear students. So to this, these are the 10 points. These are the, in a business letter, these things we need to follow. What are those? Completeness, correctness, conciseness, courtesy, consideration, concreteness, clear and coherence, character and positiveness. So these all things a sender must follow while sending the messages, while sending the letters, especially business letters. So we are talking about business letter. So while sending letter or the message to the friends, the family, that is different. And while sending message or the letters to in a business, while writing letters in a business, that is different. So we should follow these all things while writing the business letter. We means sender has to follow these things while writing the business letter. I hope all of you understood the today's topic. If you have any doubt, please contact me. I'll help you. Thank you and have a good day.